So guys, as you can see, here's our project, and here's two MOSFET guys. As you can see, I put it here with a solid tape, and we have the gate pin, and this is the gate pin with resistor here also. So we are going to connect it together in parallel. So we are connecting our driver in parallel. So we are going to connect the gate here and the drain here, and this is the positive, everything parallel, normal connection guys. And this is output 220 volt guys. So guys, as you can see, I've already connected the switch. So I want to connect the output, which is the red wire and the black wire here guys, as you can see. So I'm going to connect it, and I will leave a diagram on how to do the circuit guys. So I'm going to leave a diagram below so that we can understand it very better and very clear. So let me do this one now. So guys, as you can see, our project has been completed. This is our output, and this is the switch. So I'm going to leave a diagram on how I do the wiring. As you can see, it is working. So let's test it guys. This is our bulb. As you can see guys, it is working. Let me off it.